Hi, my name is Dickie. Today we develop an exclusive recipe of Southwest turkey. Meat, lover and roasted vegetable consists of the combined unique flavor and texture. Provide detailed list of ingredients, including the step-by-step instruction from preparing and serving. Ensure that the reader can easily recreate the meal for their home kitchens. And we aim at the recipe and the successful attract and home cooking learning and experience with the flavor technique. And now we have this Linda will do the presentation for you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Linda. Today we develop a recipe for Southwest turkey meatloaves and roasted vegetable couscous that combines unique flavors and textures. We provide detailed list ingredients, including any special seasoning or herbs that make this dish stand out. Include step-by-step cooking instructions, from preparation to serving, to ensure that readers can easily recreate the meal in their own kitchen. Consider including tips or variations to customize the recipe to individual preferences. Aim to make the recipe accessible and attractive to home cooks looking to experiment with new flavors and techniques. Here are ingredients list. For Southwest turkey meatloaves: 1 pound ground turkey, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 red bell pepper, finely chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced jalapeno, and finely chopped optional for extra heat, 1 2-cup breadcrumbs, 1 4-cup chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili, 12 teaspoons smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup ketchup. For roasted vegetable couscous: 1 cup couscous, 1/4 cups vegetable broth, 1 small zucchini, diced 1 small yellow squash, diced 1 red onion, sliced 1 red bell pepper, diced 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon cumin, salt and pepper to taste. Now we start cooking. Preparation for cooking: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 F 190 C2. In a large bowl, mix together the ground turkey, breadcrumbs, onion, bell peppers, jalapeno pepper, egg, cilantro, cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. 2. Shape the mixture into individual meatloaves and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 3. Bake the meatloaves in the preheated oven for 25-30 minutes, or until cooked through. 4. While the meatloaves are baking, prepare the roasted vegetable couscous. In a large baking dish, toss together the diced zucchini, yellow squash, red onion, and red bell pepper with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast in the oven for 20-25 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and slightly caramelized. 5. In a medium saucepan, bring the chicken broth to a boil. Stir in the couscous, cover, and remove from heat. Let sit for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork. 6. To serve, divide the roasted vegetable couscous among plates and top with a turkey meatloaf. Garnish with chopped parsley and enjoy. Now you can see the demo in the cooking process. Now start cutting mini sweet peppers. Insert jalapeno cheddar cheese. Prepare egg in the bowl. Add ground turkey breast. Add enchilada sauce. Add red onions. Add couscous. Add water. Add Southwest chipotle seasoning. Divide the turkey mixture into 4 equal portions and shape them into mini meatloaves. Add on top with enchilada sauce. Preheated oven for 25-30 minutes. Roasted vegetable couscous. Roast the vegetables in the oven for 20-25 minutes. Prepare the corn. Add canola oil, red, lower sodium chicken broth. Add Southwest chipotle seasoning. Prepare lemon zest. Prepare lemon zest lemon juice. Now ready to serve, it's delicious. We created this recipe mainly eating healthy when we cook for ourselves. And also sharing with your friends. Restaurant also want to tape on this recipe for business. Here are some ideas that may takes into consideration with the world has changed into technology. Landscape. 1. Digital marketing tactics. Create a visually appealing and informative landing page on the restaurant's website dedicated to attract visitors. 2. Social media engagement. Create eye-catching posts featuring the dish on social media platforms, with a call to action directing followers to the website for more information. 3. Incentives for customer participation and loyalty. Offer a special discount or promotion for customers who order the Southwest turkey meatloaves and roasted vegetable couscous dish online or in store. Tailoring the promotion. Tailor the promotion to appeal to health-conscious individuals by highlighting the dish's lean protein and nutrient-rich vegetables. The promotion should be tailored to appeal to a diverse audience and drive online traffic and sales, ultimately leading to increased customer engagement and loyalty. Online business ideas. We are leveraging a delicious recipe like turkey meatloaves and roasted vegetable. Aspiring entrepreneurs can tap into the online culinary market with innovative business ideas and a passion for food. Aim to inspire readers to create a wholesome dish that promotes overall well-being and healthy eating habits. Additionally, outline how one can leverage the recipe to start an online business, such as by offering recipe kits or hosting virtual cooking benefits. Happy learning and cooking at home. My mentor Dickie will teach how you can create detailed and appetizing recipes for your loved ones. And do it at home, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your expertise in your home for an online business. For more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website, https://plrsalesfunnel.com.